Good morning, students. Let us begin the problem set now. Write the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. Which of the following is a polynomial? Now, the first one is here root 2x square plus half is a polynomial. For rest of the polynomials, you can see the degree is not the integer. Now, second one, what is the degree of the polynomial? Root 7. Root 7 it is a constant polynomial and degree of the constant polynomial is 0. What is the degree of the 0 polynomial? 0 polynomial means only 0 is there in that 0 polynomial. So, degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. Then what is the degree of the polynomial? 2x square plus 5x cube plus 7. The degree is 3. So, the answer is A. What is the coefficient form of x cube minus 1? So, x cube minus 1, the terms with the coefficient x square and x are missing. So, those terms you have to write down by taking the coefficient 0. So, the coefficient form of x cube minus 1 is 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Then sixth one, polynomial p is given by x square minus 7 root 2 root 7 x plus 3. Then value of the polynomial at p 7 root 7 is equal to how much? So, substitute wherever x is there, substitute 7 root 7 and then you will get the answer. Answer you will get 3. 7 root 7 into x, x is 7 root 7 and the first two terms will cancel and only 3 will remain. When x is equal to minus 1, what is the value of the polynomial? 2x cube plus 2x. So, wherever x is there, substitute minus x. So, the answer is minus 4. Then eighth one, if x minus 1, what is the factor of the polynomial? 3x square plus mx, find the value of m. Now, the eighth answer is minus 3. Substitute x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial and put it equal to 0 because the remainder of the polynomial will be 0 and then you get the value of 8th one as minus 3. Then 9th one, multiply x square minus 3 into 2x minus 7x cube plus 4 and write the product of the polynomial. Multiply this and you will see that the without multiplying also you can write down the product. The degree of the first polynomial is 2 and degree of the second polynomial is 3. So, the degree of the product is sum of the degrees of the two polynomials. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, which of the following is a linear polynomial? Now, the polynomial with degree 1 is called as a linear polynomial. So, the first one x plus 5 is the linear polynomial. Now, write the degree of the polynomial for each of the following. Now, first one, write down polynomials in the first bracket and their degrees in the second one. So, first one it is 4, second one is 0, third one it is 9. Write the following polynomials in the standard form. So, in standard form you have to write down the terms with the decreasing powers of x or with the increasing powers of x, but normally we write down the terms in a decreasing powers of x. So, 7x raised to 4 plus 4x square minus x cube plus 4x square minus x plus 9. And second one is 5p raised to power 4 plus 10p square 5p raised to power 4 plus 2p cube plus 10p square plus p minus 8. Write the following polynomial in the coefficient form. X raised to power 4 plus 16. So, there the terms with x cube, x square and x are missing. So, write down those terms by taking the coefficient 0. So, the index form will be x raised to power 4 plus 0 x cube plus 0 x square plus 0 x plus 16. So, the coefficient form is 1, 0, 0, 0, 16. Then m raised to power 5. Now, write the index form using the variable. Now, the index form is given as 3 minus 2, 0, 7, 18. Now 5 coefficients are there. So the degree of the polynomial will be 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So the index form will be, take each of the coefficient, take the variable x, the highest degree of the variable should be 4, and the remaining terms we will write down one after the other with the decreasing powers of x. So 3x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 0x square plus 7x plus 18. Now 6, 1, 0, 7. Degree of the polynomial is 4 coefficients are there. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So the index form will be 6x cube plus x square plus 0x plus 7. Now again 4, 5 minus 3, 0. So 4 coefficients are there. So the degree will be 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So the index form will be 4x cube plus 5x square minus 3x plus 0. Now add the following polynomials. Sixth one. So when you are adding here, write down the two polynomials. Write the like terms together. Like terms, all of you know, are the terms with the same coefficients, terms with the same variables and with the equal power of the variable. So 7x raised to power 4 plus 3x raised to power 4 minus 2x cube plus 15x cube plus 9x square plus x minus 8x plus 10 plus 12. So 7 plus 3 is 10, x raised to power 4. 15 minus 2 is 13, x cube plus 9x square minus 7x plus 12. Then second one, 3p cube q plus 2p square q plus 7 plus 2p square q plus 4p q minus 3p cube q. So 3p cube q plus 2p square q plus 7, open the brackets, bring the like terms together. So 3p cube minus 2p cube plus 2p square q plus 2p square q plus 4p q plus 7. So 2p square q plus 2p square q will be equal to 4p square, and 3 minus 2 is 1, p cube q plus 4pq plus 7. Now subtract the second from the first. So 5x square minus 2y plus 9 minus, in bracket write down, 3x square plus 5y minus 7. So 5x square minus 3x square minus 2y minus 5y plus 9 plus 7. So this is 2x square minus 7y plus 16. Now subtract the second polynomial from the first one. Again change the sign and bring the like terms together. Now 8th one, multiply. Now multiply here, take the first term of the first bracket and multiply with the second bracket. Second term of the first bracket is minus 2m into again second bracket plus 3 into again the second bracket. So m raised to power 7 minus 2m raised to power 5 plus 3m raised to power 4 plus 2m cube, then minus 2m raised to power 5 plus 4m cube minus 6m square minus 4m plus 3m raised to power 4 minus 6m square plus 9m plus 6. Now again bring the like terms together and then you subtract. M raised to power 7 minus 4m raised to power 5 plus 6m raised to power 4 plus 6m cube minus 12m square plus 5m plus 6. Now the second one is 5m cube minus 2 into m square minus m plus 3. 5m cube into m square minus m plus 3 minus 2 into m square minus m plus 3. 5m raised to power 5 minus 5m raised to power 4 plus 15m cube minus 2m square plus 2m minus 6. Now divide the polynomial by x minus 3 by synthetic division and write question and answers. Now dividend is this one, coefficient form will be 3 minus 8 1 7 and divisor is x minus 3. So opposite of minus 3 is 3. So draw the vertical line, horizontal line, write the coefficients 3 minus 8 1 7. So the first term, first coefficient will be here 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 8, 9 is 1, 1 into 3 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 3s are 12, 7 plus 12 is 19. So the quotient is 3x square plus x plus 4 and the remainder is 19. Then 10th one, for which value of m is x plus 3 the factor of the polynomial x cube minus 2mx plus 21. Let the polynomial p is equal to x cube minus 2mx plus 21. So by factor theorem, value of the polynomial p at minus 3 is equal to 0. So value of the polynomial p at minus 3 is equal to minus 3 square cube minus 2m into minus 3 plus 21. So this is minus 27. 3 cube is how much? 27. And since index is odd number and the number is negative, so the minus sign will come there. Minus 3 into minus 3 is 9. 9 into minus 3 is minus 27 plus 6m plus 21, put it equal to 0. So m is equal to 1. So the value of m is 1. So at the end of the year 2016, population of Covert, Varud and Chikli is 5x square minus 3y square plus 7y square plus 2xy plus 3x square plus 4xy. At the beginning of the year, 3x square plus xy minus y square, 5xy and persons from each of the three villages respectively went to other village for education. What is the remaining population? Now population of the three villages is given. So total population at the end of the year will be take the sum of the three populations and that is 14x square plus 4y square plus 6xy. Now at the beginning of 2017, x square plus xy minus y square, 5xy plus 3x square plus xy persons from each of the villages went to the other villages. So the total number of persons who left the village, take the sum of the persons who had left. So when we are adding it, this will be equal to 4x square plus 7xy minus y square. So total per people remaining in the villages is, take the sum of the people in the villages minus the sum of the people in the villages who had left. So this is 14x square plus 4y square plus 6y minus 4x square plus y square minus 7xy. So this is 14x square minus 4x square plus 4y square plus y square plus 6xy minus 7xy. This is 10x square plus 5y square minus xy. So write down the answer. Whatever is the last question being asked in the sum, that is the what is the total remaining population of the three villages is 10x square plus 5y square minus xy. Now the 12th one is polynomials bx square plus x plus 5 and bx cube minus 2x plus 5 are divided by polynomial x minus 3 and remainders are m and n respectively. If m minus n is equal to 0, then find the value of b. Now dividend is equal to, polynomial is bx square plus x plus 3 and divisor x minus 3. So take x is equal to 3 and substitute in the value. So you get the remainder m is equal to 9b plus 8. Now the second dividend is bx cube minus 2x plus 3. So divisor is x minus 3, substitute x is equal to 3 there. Again you get the remainder n is equal to 27b minus 1. So m minus 1 is n is equal to 0, substitute the values of m and n. You get 9b plus 8 minus 27b minus 1. So that is 9b plus 8 minus 27 plus 1 is equal to 0. So minus 18b plus 9 equal to 0. So minus 18b is equal to minus 9. So b is equal to minus 9 upon minus 18, that is half. So value of b is half. Now 13th one, simplify. So just here you open the brackets and simplify. Like terms you take together and simplify. Now 14th one, which polynomial is to be subtracted from x square plus 13x plus 7 to get the polynomial 3x square plus 5x minus 4. Let the polynomial px to be subtracted from x square plus 13x plus 7. So x square plus 13x plus 7 minus px is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 4. So x square plus 13x plus 7 minus 3x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to minus px, you take on the other side, becomes plus px. So px is equal to x square plus 13x plus 7 minus 3x square minus 5x plus 4. So this is x square minus 3x square plus 13x minus 5x plus 7 plus 4. So minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11. So the required polynomial is minus 2x square plus 8x plus 11. Now which polynomial should be added to get the polynomial 6m plus 3n plus 10. Now same way you will do, let the pm be the polynomial to be added to 4m plus 2n plus 3. So pn is equal to 6n plus 3n plus 10 minus 4m plus 2n plus 3. So 6m plus 3n plus 10 minus 4m minus 2n minus 3. So 6m minus 4m plus 3n minus 2n plus 10 minus 3. So 2m plus n plus 7. So the required polynomial is 2m plus n plus 3. So with this the exercise is complete and the chapter is also complete.